Hello, restaurant managers and staff. Are you tired of wasting time checking stock availability during your busiest hours? Well, I've got something to make your kitchen operations a lot smoother. The Kitchen Inventory Dashboard. The goal of this dashboard is simple: to save time and make it easier for restaurant staff and managers to track inventory, even during busy hours. With this setup, anyone can instantly check stock availability and plan purchases efficiently. This dashboard works perfectly on both mobile and PC, so your team can update and track inventory anytime, from anywhere. Running a restaurant can be hectic, especially when you're short on stock, and finding out what's available can take too long. That's where this dashboard comes in. It helps you manage your kitchen inventory in real time. Now let me show you exactly how this dashboard works. This project has two main sheets. One, inventory sheet. Staff can update available quantities daily or weekly. They simply enter the date and update quantities. For weekly needs, there's a checkbox system. Just tick what you need. 2. Dashboard sheet. As soon as staff check out items, the dashboard updates automatically. Managers can then review the list of needed items in real time. First, I'm opening the inventory sheet. This is where employees update the available stock. Let's say we received some new items. I'll go ahead and change the quantity here, and I'll update the date as well. It's simple. Just update the number, and the system handles the rest. Now let's look at the weekly list. Here, employees can just tick the checkbox next to the items they need to order. For example, let's say we need more rice, and as soon as I check these, they'll automatically appear in the dashboard. Now I'll switch to the dashboard sheet. Here you can see the items I just checked in the inventory sheet have now appeared here. This means the manager doesn't need to ask anyone. They can instantly see what's needed. Once the employee finishes checking all items, they just need to mark it as completed using this dropdown. Let me show you Select Done from Dropdown Status. This lets the manager know the inventory task is done and ready for review or ordering. Features and benefits: clean and user-friendly layout, fully automated updates, saves time for both staff and managers, reduces communication delays. Great for restaurants to maintain smooth operations. Now the manager gets instant access to the dashboard. They can see at a glance what items are low, what's in stock, and which orders are ready to be made. No more guessing or waiting around. Everything is visible and up to date. This system saves time, boosts efficiency, and helps keep your kitchen organized, so you can focus more on serving your customers and less on inventory. Ready to streamline your kitchen operations? Try out the Kitchen Inventory Dashboard today and make your restaurant run smoother than ever. This is just a sample demo dashboard to show what's possible. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for a custom inventory dashboard like this, built to match your exact needs, feel free to reach out. You can message me on Instagram or send an email. All the details are in the description below. I'll design a dashboard that fits your workflow, whether it's tracking stock availability, managing item checkouts, or automating updates. Let's make your operations faster, easier, and more organized.